says record with a flashing red light. That means it's recording. Okay. Now, this is Holly trying to get her pole unstuck because she'd left it laying there and then the string just got caught down underneath a rock. So I told her she had to get it out all by herself. Don't fall in.
I'm not going swimming.
You might have to.
Swimming. No. Ooh, this is a pretty rock. Okay. Did you just say, ooh, this is a pretty rock? Yes, I did, because I saw it. It's slippery. I'm remembering that time that I slipped without shoes on, and my toe checked.
You got shoes on.
I know, but they could still come off. Can't get it. I don't want to break the line.
I'm going to have to do something.
Why can't we just cut the line?
You need to try harder.
I'm trying.
Try harder.
Holly. Oh my gosh, I think I just got it stuck more. Then stop putting it down! Stop paying attention to the mooing! I shouldn't jump.
No, you shouldn't.
I was standing. Yeah.
Jamie, can you help your sister?
Why do I gotta help?
Just get over there and watch.
Watch?
Yeah.
Watch. This rock is very, very, very,
Holly? That's not real smart.
That could happen to me.
Yes, it could.
Stop it, Holly! This one's better, at least. It's smaller. It's less, You are moving all the rocks behind you. I need to go out that way, but I'm not going swimming. Out swimming! How do you? Did you just say I'm a good girl? No, I said where's my line? I said I have an idea. Oh, really? Yeah. That is dumb. Oh, see, the sticks are prettier. Oh, they're too short. Hey, give me them. Okay. I know. Oh, wow, Holly, get on the tiniest rock you can find. Okay. Oh, I was joking. Oh, I'm not doing that. You need a longer stick. Want a longer stick, Holly? Oh, pretty.
Okay, we done recording?